So here we've got the question with, again, lots of information, and it's telling us something about a family rail card. So then it's saying work out the total cost of the tickets where he uses the family rail card. So let's see who's using the train. So we've got Mr. Brown and 2 children. So we've got 1 adult and 1 child. So we've got 1 adult and 2 children. So important we recognise the key information, so we've used that fact and that fact. This is an adult ticket normally costs £24, but they're saying a third off the adult tickets if the family card is used. So the first thing to do is work out 1/3 of 24, and we do that by doing 24 divided by 3, so that equals 8. So the cost of the adult ticket is going to be £24, take away £8, which is £16. Okay, so we know the adult will cost £16. The children, they get 60% off child tickets. Well, a child ticket was £12, so we've now used that information, and we want 60%. So 60% of £12. Well, that's the same as doing 0.6 times 12. We know 6 12s are 72, so the answer's got to have a 7 and a 2 in it. 72 doesn't make sense. We know 10% is £1.20, so 6 of those, 6 ones is at least £6, so it's going to be £7.20. So 60% off £12, so it's off. Now that's a really important thing. We've got to remember it's got to take this £7.20 off the £12. So the cost of the child ticket, is going to be £12, take away £7.20, which will give us, well, 12 take away 7 is 5, and then we've got 20p to take off, so £4.80. So 2 children is 2 times £4.80, which is going to be £9.60. Okay. Make that £5, 2 times 10, 2 20p's too many, so take 40p off £10, £9.60. So we know then that that is the cost of the 2 children, that's the cost of the adult, so the total cost is £16 plus the £9.60, which equals £25.60p. So we should be putting down on our answer line £25.60p. Go through, just check we've used everything. So Mr. Brown, 2 children, yeah, adults, yeah, recognise a third off, 60% off, and we've worked out the total cost of the tickets. So yep, so we've identified all the key information, we've gone through, recognised that we had to work out 60% off £12, but that was a reduction. It's that important bit there, it was 60% off child ticket costs. And then we ended up with the final answer of £25.60.